Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today I am talking about the most interesting topic about mathematics called geometry. Geometry has a very interesting topics like types of angle. So today I will talk about types of angle. First we learn about what is angle. An angle is the figure formed by two rays called the side of the angle sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of the angle. This is the picture of the angle. The point always join the angle is called vertex, and these are the rays of the angle, ray 1 and ray 2. There are 6 types of angle. First is right angle, second acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. First we talk about right angle. Right angle is always measures 90 degree and it always drawn like this. Then we have learned about acute angle. Acute angle is always measuring less than 90 degree. So all the angles are less than 90, for example 80, 60, 50, whatever you want to draw, but less than 90 degree are always acute angle. As well as all the angles are greater than 90 degree are always called obtuse angle, like 100, 110, 120 and whatever you like to draw, but always greater than 90. These all angles are called obtuse angle. The straight angle is always make a line straight and the measurement is 180 degree. It has the degree which 180 degree and this angle is called straight line. The angle which is measured 180 degree and up to 360 degree, it's called reflex angle. This is the sign that shows this angle is reflex angle. Reflex angles measures 180 degree up to 360 degree. And the line that shows a common point at this and this side A, that angle is called complete angle. So these are the 6 types of angles. Once more I can repeat. First, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Right angle is always measures 90 degree. Acute angle always measure less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle always measure greater than 90 degree. Straight angle always measures 180 degree. Reflex angle always measures 180 degree up to 360 degree. And the complete angle shows the straight line. These all are the types of angles. Thank you.